Yeah, hello. Yeah, what's up? Yeah, good evening. How you doing? Good. You have been having cough issues for the past few days. Have you taken drugs? And which have you taken? You've taken erythromycin and no effect. Okay, not to worry. I'm gonna give you some home remedies you can use for your cough. First you need bitter cola. Yeah, bitter cola. Then you need thumb thumb. No, not condom. Thumb thumb. It's like a menthol sweet. Yeah, thumb thumb. Then you need honey. Yes, honey. Hello? 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 Gosh, message received. Wow, data is just dead. What do I do now? Let me call Alice Connect. Yeah, hello. Yeah, I'm on to Alice Connect. Yeah, please, I've been needing data worth 60 gigabytes. Yes, please, I need it urgently. Okay, I'm gonna send my details right away. Yeah, thank you. Wow, so fast. Okay, let me call this guy back. Yeah, hello. Yeah, can you hear me now? Okay, I'm so sorry for the breaking transmission. Okay, now what you have to do is that the Tom Tom and the bitter cola, you chew both of them together. Then the honey, you lick it before going to bed. You can do this before going to bed at night. I'm very sure for the next 3 days you always get your relief and you'll be back to normal. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, bye. Wow, Alice Connect. Our satisfaction is truly your own. Bye bye.